Hello!
Hello!
Welcome back.
Welcome back.
This is episode 4, right?
I think so.
Episode
Yeah.
4,
Feels like 4.
Minecraft Survival Scots.
How
Right,
you doing, Calum?
so, I'm doing pretty good. How are you doing?
I'm doing okay.
Doing okay?
Okay.
Not doing too bad?
No, I'm doing pretty great. Pretty great.
Okay, that's good. That's good. So we managed to get some food. We got a few
Working
bits
on
of
the
bread.
farm.
We worked on the farm a bit before we started the episode. We got some bone meal and stuff.
I actually do have them.
Yeah, I've got some bones left over. I had 2 bones left.
Oh.
So
Calum, look.
make that into bone meal right now, actually. And what are the most developed ones? This one looks pretty good. Okay, right. So, are you wanting to finish the farm bit and then we'll go explore?
Okay, we'll just get some more bread and then.
I have 5 bread left, so I don't know how much you've
You
got.
can never have too much bread, Calum.
That's true.
I have found. I have 30 more seeds here. As well, and
30. It's quite a lot.
That is quite a lot.
Okay.
Okay, well, why don't you tell people what we're going to be doing today?
Yeah, okay, sure. Our plan is to, once we finish the farm bit, is to... We're going to go off and explore... These are called tundra biomes, right? No, they're not called tundra biomes. I don't know what the biomes are called anymore. Oh! I don't even care. I don't even care. Okay, yeah, a snow biome. Is that what you could call it? I'm just gonna call it a snow biome.
We should, okay, which direction do you want to?
Let's go this direction. So we're gonna go off.
Wait, I want to make some bread before we go.
Okay, just put a crafting table down
Where
here.
is my bread?
No, just.
Go. Go. Like a bread can. That's all.
Okay, we lied. We spawned food. We never actually did anything with the farm. Okay, but anyway.
Alright, let's go make some legit food.
But I don't think we have to now.
How much do you have?
49.
Okay. Oh, there we go.
How much do you have?
I have only 9,
Oh, okay. You can
but now
get some
I
of this.
have 5 more.
Oh my gosh. There you go.
Oh yeah, 39 then. Okay. Shall we?
Yes.
Shall
Okay.
we be off on
Yep.
an adventure?
Have you got wood?
I have wood. I have 38 wood.
Perfect.
And an axe. So
Perfect. Perfection. Perfection. Okay. So,
let's get some wolves.
do we have?
We don't have bones.
I don't have bones. I just
But we
used
can
them.
wait
I
till
just
night.
used them all to make bone meal.
I know we do. We
Uh,
can wait till night time.
Yeah.
And then
this is where I found the cows, by the way.
oh, there they are.
Yeah. Oh, I can hear a skeleton.
So can I. She can't see him.
Yeah. I don't know. I wonder where he is.
I'm actually going to use my stone sword for the time being.
I have no idea where the skeleton is.
Okay. Ooh. Yo.
Right.
Where to?
Let's just go this way.
Okay.
Seems like a
Are
nice.
we sprinting? Is that something?
No,
Do you
no,
have enough food?
I'm not sprinting. I'm just going normal.
You have enough food, Cal. We can sprint.
Do you want to sprint? Okay, let's sprint. Dun, 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 dun.
Lava.
Oh, lava!
I left my bucket at home, so we can't get lava.
Okay.
Mark
Let's
the
go.
spot.
Let's go this way because I think the ocean is this way. I'd kind of like to build next to the ocean.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Oh, pigs. We don't need to kill them.
Nah. The pigs are all good. We don't have to worry about them.
We've become past official. Oh, you're a zombie?
I hear a zombie. Okay, I think we've maybe gone a bit far.
We could build on top of this lovely hill.
Oh, why not?
Actually-
Why not that hill? Because that hill's bigger.
No, actually, I don't like having a massive white forest around me. It's like it feels a bit isolated from everything.
A bit distracting.
Well, it's just it's bright and it's white and it's a bit crisp and
Oh look, there's the ocean.
the ice ocean.
Do you want to build over there?
If you want, we'll have a look at it.
Be quite nice to build over there. Oh my gosh!
Have a look.
I only did half a heart damage. That's not that bad. This looks pretty good actually.
Oh, it's like an ice beach.
Yeah.
It is.
It is a nice beach.
Oh, there's a squid.
Yeah.
No.
Whee!
Ah, you shut up again. It's like that bit from The Hobbit. Come stand on the ice.
Uh huh.
Right, okay. Now I'm gonna.
Wait, which one are you talking about?
The third one.
I've not seen the third one yet.
Oh, I'm not gonna say anything then.
Yeah. Remember, I couldn't go see it with you guys because Mum and Dad wanted me to study or something like that. But anyway,
Tough life.
tough life. Right, so
I don't like this beach
yeah,
combo with the
I think that's enough exploring for today.
We could go in the opposite direction.
Yeah,
Somewhere a bit warmer.
it's too there's too much land.
We could let's go
Kind of like an isolated place, like an island.
Yeah,
Yeah,
that was quite nice, that island that we had.
yeah.
Oh, this is nice.
Oh yeah, I like it here.
Oh, sugarcane. Let's get sugarcane.
Oh, I like it here, Calum. We should build our house right here.
Whereabouts?
Right here.
Oh, Calum. Oh yeah, right there. Right. I shall mark the coordinates so I can remember where it is.
How about you stay here, start building.
I don't have any of my stuff to build.
So
why don't you stay here? And I'll go. Oh, the night time is coming down.
yeah. Well, you could start getting resources from like trees and stuff, and you can start planning out like a base.
Oh, what have you seen?
I fell down a hole.
No, I did see that hole. I didn't mention it yet, so.
Right. Okay, so we're building on top of like a thing. I'm just gonna cover it up.
What you did?
I just covered it up. Right. I'll go back and I'll get all of our stuff.
Okay.
Or as much of it as I can carry.
Okay.
That's annoying because
bring cobble.
Cobble.
Wait, do you want to give me some stuff so you have more space?
Oh, it's fine. Oh, we're not actually that far away.
Alright, okay. I'll run round to them.
It's all good. We're not actually that far away. We're not as far as we thought we were.
Running. He's gonna blow up.
Diggly 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 diggly. Die, zombie. Okay, right.
I'm gonna come back as well.
Okay.
Oh, we're literally. Oh, Calum. Oh gosh.
Yeah, we're really not that far away.
Oh gosh. I'm gonna die. That's such a lucky find.
I know.
I've literally just
Right.
ran out of hunger enough to stop sprinting.
Actually, I'll leave that here. Right. You get the rest of the stuff from the chest.
Oh, have you got the logs?
Yep.
Good.
Yeah. Okay.
Okay. Shall we?
Yes.
That's the way. Wait, it's this way. Yeah, it's that way.
Run.
Oh gosh.
Ah!
Oh! You shot me in the butt.
In the butt.
In the butt.
Right in the butt.
In the butt.
Right in the butt. Have you got an arrow in your butt?
I have. So have you.
No!
In your lower. Did you die?
No.
You're good.
I almost did though.
Hey buddy. How you doing? Hey buddy.
Well, I didn't
No,
really.
Calum,
But still.
it's in water.
It's a water duel.
Yeah.
Oh, you're fine.
I'm good.
Whew. Okay, we'll make a chest
That XP.
and
Shall we dig into the hill? Be hobbits.
what for like a temporary base?
Yeah.
Okay. I'm kind of fed up of holes though. Oh, we can have a door though this time.
Oh, that'd be lovely. Or we could just kind of camp out here.
Yeah. Camping's
What
nice.
about the farm?
Uh,
I spent so much time on. Clearly.
it's okay. We can
Oh,
we can
we can refarm.
refarm. Yeah. I'm just
Oh,
gonna
saplings.
gonna cut down these trees.
Do we have any bones?
Yes.
Good, we can possibly tame some dogs there.
Oh, I've got a full
They are
inventory.
protectors.
Oh, I only just got that achievement.
It's
Interesting.
every time you put the server on.
Oh, is it every time I restart like
Yeah.
the worlds?
Because it's every single time.
Right, that makes sense.
Do we have like joint achievements or something? Because when you get one, I don't get it.
No, we don't have joint achievements.
Tag teaming.
Yep.
Right.
Do you remember that time we
did you
tag
give me
teamed?
The
What?
stack of oak,
Yeah,
just so I can start.
I'm just gonna build like a chest and stuff. There's my bones, by the way, if you wanted them.
Don't use the thing. All the oak.
I have a wee source of light.
Are we wanting it right up to the water's edge? Like going out to here, kind of thing. Or we went up on this line.
We can have like a
veranda.
pier that goes into the
Here,
thing. Yeah,
into the lake.
yeah, that'd be really cool.
Sounds cool.
It would be really cool.
Okay. I'm gonna spend so much time on the building, by the way.
I know you will.
I always spend a lot of time. Wait, show me a wee chest.
I've already made one. It's all good.
Oh. This is fab.
Fabulous. Right. Okay.
It's quite nice out here in the forest.
Yeah.
Yeah. Oh, look, it's like a big fishbowl.
A fishbowl.
Yeah. A big fishbowl.
Fair
I
enough.
think we should replace this gravel with sand because it looks kind of ugly.
You can if you want to. You can do it right now.
But I don't have any sand, so.
Ah.
Oh well. We'll just leave it.
Yeah.
Okay.
Um.
Right.
Oh.
There we go.
Will we lay down the foundations of the house?
Okay. Right. My plan is. Okay, we'll have. Let's think. Right. How far up? How close to it do you want it?
Let's this close.
Like, where do you want the front edge to be?
The front of the house. I don't know.
Oh wait. Shall we have?
You're the
Where's
designer.
the doorway? Doorway's here.
But then we have to run right round.
We can have a side door
Okay, yeah, we'll have a side.
and a back door.
I have a back door here, and a side door here.
Okay, so this is where the door is gonna go.
Uh-huh.
Then we'll have.
The house has to.
This.
The house has to like extend up onto this bit.
Yep. It'll extend back. So that's how wide
Okay.
it's gonna be. And then it'll go back. This. To here.
Yeah.
Is that about big enough?
A bit more.
Bit more? It's quite big.
Yeah, I know.
It's gonna take a lot.
Yeah, I know. It's going to be a great design.
Okay.
Say,
Right, back to here.
and it'll come round. It's going to be kind of like an L shape, I think.
An L shape.
Or maybe it's not going to be an L shape.
Well, it looks like a square right now. But how
Yeah.
far do you want it to go? Like, we could have it coming out here a bit more.
Okay. I can't actually see what you're doing.
Okay. Well, can I see? Now, like, we could see this bit from here to here. We could have it extending out this way
Okay.
if you want. But we should probably. I think we should just stick to the square at first.
Yeah, sure. Then
And
we
then
can extend once we've got the basic building.
Okay, so my plan. Have you got lots of cobble?
Everything's in the chest.
Everything. There is 15 cobble.
Yep.
Okay, so I have stack and the rest. Okay.
Will we call that? Will we wrap up?
Shall we?
Yeah.
Okay. Right. You go first.
Well, bro, we'll see what we're gonna do next
You're
time.
meant to wrap.
Next time we're gonna do. We're gonna finish the house. Well, we're gonna start the house next time. We're gonna finish it probably.
We've kind of laid it out. It looks,
We've got the basic
Nice
layout
size.
of the shape.
it's quite long, but that's fine.
Yeah, that's fine. And then we'll have like an extension over this side, I think.
Yep.
And then we'll have the pier that kind of comes out into the middle of the lake, or maybe not as
Just
far
make
as
a
the
big
middle.
beach with a sun lounger.
Yeah, we can have like a wee campfire over here, like with
Yeah.
over
that's
here.
nice. We could have it like here, and the house will extend out around it.
Yeah,
That'd be nice.
and then we can watch the sun rising over the hill.
Okay. Shall we end up?
Yeah.
Then?
Yeah,
Okay.
let's end it, and then we can watch the moon setting.
Oh.
We'll watch the
Sunrising.
sunrise.
And the moon. And the sun.
The moon and the sun.
And the moon.
Where the moon,
the
the
sun.
sun, moon, the sun. I don't know which one to look at.
Let's look at the sun.
Oops.
Oh,
Oh my gosh, no. Die. There we go.
There's a creeper cow. But as long as we don't harm him, he won't harm us.
Yeah, that'll be fine.
Minecraft logic. Okay.
Yeah.
Shall we wrap up?
Yes. Well, everyone, thank you for watching. This has been episode 4, I think. Bye! Bye! No! Okay, and now we will say goodbye. Bye, everyone.
Goodbye.
Bye.